We're all down right now, so why not try to make things fun? During the bear market of 2018, we found out that most of the ICOs we purchased were shit. What was the crap left over from the not-so-distant bull market? Was it the node projects? I am not talking about real node projects like yield nodes, Galangain nodes, or pre-search nodes. I mean like the node projects who never changed their tokenomics, so you have earned nothing for the last couple of months. Or you were one of the first node projects which tried to trick us into purchasing a shiny new entangled node. But when that didn't work, they changed lifetime rewards to a max of 20 tokens. This is only a 100% total ROI, but after you add in the monthly fees and cash out fees, we will be lucky to have made any money in this project. There are several of these node projects out there. Some set out to shit us from the beginning, just like the ICO projects from before. Some of these node projects really did try and are attempting to create something revolutionary like DeFi, blockchain gaming, and so much more. These failures are needed to advance this space. It just sucks that there are probably more crooks in this space right now than those who are trying to do good. How many ICOs did you purchase during the last bull run? My guess is 0 or very close to 0. How many did you purchase during the 2017 bull market? Hell, I lost count. My point here is now, you know what the junk was. Any projects that look like they are dead. Keep an eye on them, but they probably are dead. Those in this pack of crap, like node projects that are still paying out rewards, or those without 200,000 plus nodes and only 1 million tokens total. If you think some of these projects may pull through, then they could. This is where the planning begins. Choose how much of your money you would like to invest in these very risky projects, if any. Now you need to think about which categories of investments you are lacking in. You want to keep a diversified portfolio, but how diversified is up to you. At times I try to own more in stocks than crypto. Then I move to more crypto than stocks. It is time for me to reevaluate my setup. I use CoinStats to track all of my crypto investments. Without some type of tracker, it will get very difficult to know which of your crypto is down the most. Which of your crypto do you need to dump, and so forth. So during a bear market, you need to prioritize which investments you have been wanting, but were too expensive to purchase just 6 months or so ago. Look at my CoinStats information here. I am down $16,000 of a total $23,000 invested. This is a huge loss, but guess what? I ain't scared. This is my crypto IRA account. I can contribute $6,000 annually to this account, and I will be making my first contribution of 2022. What I do when either contributing to my crypto IRA, or just picking up some more crypto on Coinbase, or buying more stocks on Robinhood. I look to see what's down the most that I want to remain holding in 5, 10, or 15 plus years. Like Tesla, Bitcoin, Ethereum, Gala, Avalanche, and much more. If I want them, I have the funds to invest, and they cost less than they did the last time I purchased. Then I buy more. So during a bear market, please weed out the crap. Take way less risk than you would in a bull market, and set up your DCA or dollar cost averaging strategy, and grow your stacks over time.